Burger Rippy over here at the West Liberty Festival 2020, man. This guy's got his Coachman Catalina, and it looks like a greyhound dog jumping, but I think it's a big cat with dog ears. Is it Dalmatian? Is it Catalina a dog? I don't know. An older unit. So 41, we're talking pre-war here. Want to cruise the tractors real quick. I think they're coming back from the parade. I could be wrong. Because there would be tractors here. Yeah, they're backing them in. A crawler tractor, Model 40. Ready to go. MC it says. 1936. A GP. That was a... People like that one. Haven't priced one for a while. The Johnny Popper engine on a small frame, a GP. That'd been good to take in the parade. 1925 John Deere Model D, possibly made in Columbus, Ohio. The Model Ds. Then the Jagger Corporation. There's a lot of industrial there for a while. What we got over here? Is that a Yamaha? Yeah, nice Yamaha. Coming back from the parade, aren't they? Little parade tractor. Yeah, that's their school color. That it's like orange and black or something. West Liberty Tigers, I think they call them. A lot of people wearing masks. Scared to death. I'm not sure why this one's yellow, but 1950 question mark. And Super M type of farmalls. I'll be kind of skipping both rows here, or trying to get both. Then we'll go back over through there. Just excited to be here today. This one's shown where it's from Kenton, the owner. 1960 Jetstar Mini Mo. Bits and pieces they call this guy. So I think he's saying, you know, it's parts off different tractors. It's the hood off an AC and a frame off who knows what, and yeah, a green engine and a red axle and an orange hood. Whatever, bits and pieces. This one's pretty beefy looking, isn't it? So we're on the baseball diamond now, one of them. Don't want to get in that guy's way, he might not have any brakes. He's in a hurry. Well, I don't know. Pretty sweet red tractor that guy brought it back. He's probably pretty happy to have it out and show it off. Like a 4-bottom plow over here on this one. Wow, you could get a lot of work done with something like that compared to what else was available at that time. So there should be vendors parts here. So yeah, this sparse. Really missed. These guys were from like a couple states away. They're not here. I see people hauling merchandise out. This is the second vendor of the mums. And I think there's 4 baseball courts here, Lions Club Park, and a go-kart track, the bullpen. The Sasquatches cutouts are over here. They have very nice timberland here in Champaign County in these hills. pretty unique high crop, and I thought they used them in grape farms where you drive over top of your grapes, but they don't. So he has 4 different sizes of Sasquatch. 19 and 17 experimental Waterloo. Boom. Very special tractor right there. We're lucky to see this one. And it's from Plain City, Ohio, currently, ownership-wise. And a Johnny Popper and a high crop and a wide front end. Portable sawmill. This big beefy case 930. And then was there a 920? From Minneapolis. And yeah, a friend of mine, he passed away this couple months ago, and he bought 2 of those new and lost his ass somehow. The case 400, we had one, that might be our old tractor. Yeah, I don't see the welds in there. So anyway, a parade combine. I think she's ready to get off there and get a drink of water. That's pretty high up to be sitting once you get up there, I would think. She had the best seat for the parade. That's kind of neat. I might know those guys. But yeah, over here in the corner, got to see some antique tractors when they come back from the parade. And a nice display. And 19 and 17 experimental Waterloo. Wow. Thanks for watching, everyone. Burger Rippy, West Celebrity Festival. Thanks for watching. So we're on the Logan County line, Logan-Champaign County line. He pushed his back on the parade. Sometimes they carry tow chain with them too in case someone breaks down. Oh, 3 bottom. Beautiful day out here. There's a ladies tractor for the mom. A Model 50, that was kind of cool. Nice shade trees over here. But yeah, over here some vendors will be going around. Yeah, they'll park those over there with the other ones. A 445. Pretty neat. And actually there's more antique farm equipment over through here, so, and this is the camping area.